Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make white fish with creamy shallot sauce. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, we're gonna start with our ingredients. I have here around half kilo of white fish fillet, 1 cup of heavy cooking cream, 1 shallot cut in small pieces, a little bit of scallion cut in small pieces too, some butter, some lemon zest, a little bit of black pepper and salt. Finally, the original recipe used a white wine, but here we're gonna replace it with half cup of green apple juice, natural juice, and 1 spoon of apple vinegar. Add the apple vinegar over the juice, mix it up, and that's it. My friends, this is our ingredients for today, and now let's go and see how to prepare our dish. First, in a frying pan over medium heat, put some butter, leave it until it's almost melted. Then add the fish fillet. Add some salt over it and fried it from both sides. Then take it out and leave it aside. Now let's prepare our sauce. In the same frying pan, add the apple juice with the vinegar, the lemon zest, the shallot, then cook all together for around 10 minutes. After that, add the cream over it and some salt and black pepper. Leave it cooking until it starts boiling. Add the scallion over it. Mix it with the sauce for around 3 minutes and that's it. Take the sauce down, add it over the chicken fillet, and we done. My friends, this is all for today. we made white fish with creamy shallot sauce. It's delicious and fast to prepare. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.